Hello everyone, today we will learn how to post new Pinterest pins to Slack channels. Now whenever you create a new Pinterest pin, you want to notify all your members in your Slack channel that a new pin has been created. So for this purpose, you don't want to do it again and again manually, so you can create an automation with the help of Pabbly Connect, where our trigger will be the new pin created and our action will be the send channel message in your Slack. Let us learn how to do it. So let us integrate Pinterest and Slack in such a way that whenever a new pin is created over here in a newly created board or any board, then it will be updated or this information will be sent as a message or a channel message in your group. So let us create this automation with the help of Pabbly over here. Quickly sign in into your account. And then I will reach this place where I can see all the applications provided by Pabbly. We will be using Pabbly Connect to create today's automation. So click on Access Now and you will reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Reaching here, you can see a big blue button on your right side. Click on that button where it's written Create Workflow and give a suitable name to your workflow. I'm going to name it as Send Channel Messages on Slack for New Pins on Pinterest. Click on Create and then a blank workflow will be created for you. Like you can see on the screen, you have two boxes. One has trigger written over it and another has action. Now, what is this trigger and action? Trigger is when this happens, which means that in your trigger application, an event will take place which will trigger the application or this workflow. And then therefore the action application will perform the assigned action. So the trigger application for today's workflow is Pinterest, because as soon as a new pin is created inside that board, then the action application, that is Slack, will send the messages for that specific event. So the event over here is new pin, because the board has already been created. So we will add a new pin in this board. First of all, for that, you have to connect Pabbly Connect in Pinterest. So click on connection, add new connection and connect with Pinterest. It will automatically detect your account and you just have to give access. So that now Pabbly Connect has access for the new pin or any new information that will be done or action that will be performed in your Pinterest. So the board has already been selected with the name new board. As you can see, the board that we are working upon is of the same name. Click on save and send test request and then add a new pin over here. As soon as you add a new pin over here, it will start to capture the response. Let us add a new pin over here. These are some ideas that you can use to create pin inside this board. So click on these ideas and then you can click on the plus button, whichever one you want to add. So if you want to add a new pin like this one, click on plus and it has been added to your board like this. When you go back to Pabbly Connect and click on save and send test request, then you will find that a response has been received for that specific post or the pin that you have created. Okay, this is the name of the pin, this is the image, this is the URL of the image, and these are the other specific details. Okay, the description is also here. So we are going to save this step and then we will close this trigger window. The action window, the next step is going to be Slack, where we will first of all connect our Slack and Pabbly Connect accounts so that we can use the information that was received as a response in our trigger application to send a message in your Slack channel. So click on event as send channel message, connect your accounts, add new connection and connect with Slack. Now you have to enter a token type over here. Either it is user or bot. So if you click on here, that is a link, it will take you to the page where you can see what is the difference between the user type and the token and the bot type. So if you type user, you will be able to do these things. And if you type bot, you will be able to do these things. Okay. Now send channel message with image. You want to do that, right? So we are going to type bot over here and click on save. Once this is done, you just have to wait for 2 seconds and click on allow. Here it is. And then the connection will be done. Now, once the connection is established, you can see there are channel name, message, and the other details that you have to fill in. These are the basic details that are required to be filled whenever a new message is drafted. So first of all, see that which group you want to send the message to. The channel name is general. Okay, so choose your general name from here. This is the name of your channel and then type a message. So we are going to type as, see, put a comma and see if you have the name of the board in this. So type new board. So there is no board, no name of the board. So leave that part. But we have the name. So just put double quotes over here. And what is the name? This is the title. Put it in double quotes. Okay, full stop. And then description. Okay. And before description, remember to put a slash and n, which does the work of an enter key. So description will come under this message that you have just typed, colon, and then you can mark the description that is somewhere here. Yeah, this is the description. Now, then put a slash and n and write, please have a look. Okay, full stop. Now, this is the message that we have created. In the case of image URL, you have to map the image. So, just click on this drop down menu and media images original URL you are going to select. This is the image URL, and the other details are actually not so necessary because they don't have required written after them, which means that they are not mandatory. Click on save and send test request and see the response is received. A pin has been added. So all of the details are correct and it shows no error, which means that our workflow has been a success. And one more proof is needed, that we will go to general and see that this was our message. Okay, within the double quotes, and this was the pin, and the other details are also here that has been created in our general channel, which means that yes, the workflow was a success for sure. Let us do a quick recap. Our trigger application was Pinterest. We created a new pin after connecting Pinterest and Pabbly Connect. Then our action application is Slack, where we sent a channel message. The connection type was a bot, and then we were able to draft a message and send it on the selected channel. So this was the whole workflow. I hope this helped.
Not just these applications, but you can integrate many other applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any issue regarding Pabbly, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any doubts regarding our pricing, then you can connect us through this given website. If you found this video helpful in any way, then make sure to share this with your friends and colleagues to make their life easier by creating automations. We will meet in the next video. Till then, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.